Hello everybody, it is John. It is another unboxing video, and this time we are looking at Furnace. And I must thank the good people at 2D6 Games, and in particular Joe, for delivering this delightful game to me. I have played this a couple of times and am very happy now to have it in my collection. So let's go have a look at what's in the box. Right, let's have a look at Furnace. Now, I played this game a couple of times now and am very, very happy to have been able to obtain this game. It is really, really good. I'm happy to have acquired this. Even with a dented box, it does not worry me as long as my contents are all good. Yeah, so game rules. So it can't get any better than short and sweet. Then we have the tokens. A lot of tokens have fallen out, but that's fine. And the box itself, which these, I do love these. They're very nice. The coins are all good, so they'll have to get home. In here somehow. Some plastic baggies. Yeah, so these coins are nice. I'm going to stick them over there. Oh, I love these old style wooden. Takes me back to the 60s. These wooden style. Yeah, so that's very nice. The resources. So there's all good, and of course the cards, which are the critical part of the game. Once I can open it, which I clearly am struggling with today. So these are the all-important resources that you will obtain, and of course once you've obtained it, then goes to the other side of the deck. Sorry, the other side of the card. So this is a delightful game. I can see this probably having to be sleeved, only because there's so few cards, and the game gets multiple plays. I think they will get rather dirty quickly, and these are the characters that you can obtain through the game. So yes, there you go. That is Furnace, which I can indeed recommend. I've thoroughly enjoyed this game. So back there. So till next time, signing off, the Honourable John.